Hi everyone, today we're going to be resetting the oil maintenance service light on this 2014 Land Cruiser. If you've got this style dashboard with this cluster, this should work for you. Okay, first things first, we're going to press the start button twice just to get the ignition on. And when we've got the ignition up like that, what we're going to be using these buttons down here, the ODO trip button. So we want to press that until we get trip A displayed just like that on the dash, and then we're going to switch ignition off again. Then what we need to do is we need to hold down the ODO trip button and then press the start button twice. Okay, so we'll hold that down, press that twice so the ignition's on. You can see resetting oil maintenance data up on the dash there. Keep holding. You can see it's complete and it disappears. Now when you switch off the ignition and switch back on, you shouldn't have any service lights on the dashboard. Okay, that's it guys, that's complete. See you in the next video.